how digital marketing is useful. Because see, now if we talk about these scenarios, like okay, how digital marketing is useful, we have to take one more scenarios. For example, uh, if we're talking about the pre and post COVID thing, okay, why I'm giving, because 2020 businesses was doing well. Okay, post they were looking for a solution. Now they got a solution, something called digital marketing. Okay, but how it is useful, that we have to talk about. If, for example, okay, sometimes it's happened like okay, we got some top layer things like okay, I know if I do digital marketing, I can. So these are the top layer things like every business got like okay, doing digital marketing can solve your problem. But you will be no like you will be surprised like what are the problems they can solve. For example, if we talk about fast tracking, which is something we already discussed, okay. Uh, Here, let's take an example. Ki everyone use social media, na? And social media is a form of what? Digital marketing only, digital channels. I'm saying, ki for example, if you go and make a post on social media, any post, okay. After that, you are able to see how much likes you got, how much reach you got, which means this post has been seen by how much people, how much comments you got. Now this is what easy tracking. Like easily you can track like okay, this post is performing good, getting good reach. I have to do something well now. Taking one more example, if you post something on YouTube, again you can see like how much views that entire YouTube videos got. So what? This is easy basically. Otherwise, if you just go to cinema and you run your ads, okay, on cinema, we don't know how much people are watching that cinema ads. It is very difficult to track. Cinema owners can take a money, they can present in on the in front of the audience, but they don't know the data. How much people actually watch the ad. Might be I was watching my mobile at that time. It can possible. So easy tracking is one option. Brand awareness. Okay, taking to the same example, if you post something on social media, okay, I'm taking one example only. These are the what digital channels, but social media is not only digital marketing. You have to keep in mind. Social media is one channel, advertising is different channel, which we are going to talk about later. Okay, so these are multiple channels which we definitely talked about in the prior also. So if you post something on social media, you are getting thousands of reach on daily basis. Now what happened? I mean, I'm sure you might have liked so many social media pages. So it creates what? Increase the brand awareness. I know about a brand, like, okay, this is a brand. Example, if I have to take some clothing, okay, if I have to take some clothing material, okay, I just go for, I mean, Flipkart once on their social media and I will see like what is trending right now, okay, on their platform. So I follow Flipkart, I went their Flipkart, and how I went because of social media, they created so much brand awareness. Because of digital marketing, they created the brand name. Yes, Flipkart is there and we exist. So these are the something which increases the brand awareness. Better reach, we already talked about. See, I am sure like you have seen, okay, and you have ignored also. We keep good banners, okay, in front of roadside. But while walking, we take care of our mobile phones only. We never see those big banners. Most of us like this only. So let's suppose ki there's a big banners in front of it, okay, and hundreds of people passing it. We, I mean, okay, it got a reach of what? 100 in that area only. But if I create an ad, I can reach out to entire India people. I can reach out to entire world people. I can reach out to entire world people, entire India, entire territory, entire world. Okay, entire. I mean, entire thing. Something like very trending. Okay. So here our reach is very low because I'm in that area. If I want to get a better reach, I have to market digitally. Customers are online. When did the last time you purchased a cloth online? When did the last time you purchased a mobile online? When did the last time you purchased a uh, food, food delivery, Swiggy, Zomato? Forget about those things. Nowadays, if you want to purchase grocery also, na, you can purchase online. Movie ticket online. I mean, everything you are doing online, then don't you think like business also need to come online? If you are online, now what is happening? Customer is online. Now, if a brand comes online, it got matched. Okay, and there's a problem, there's a solution. If problem and solution matched, people will buy. Return on investment. Now, this is something like again, just give me a simple example I'm talking about. For example, you spent 1 lakh rupees, okay, on a newspaper ad like Times of India. We don't know how many customer converted. If you spend 1 lakh in digital marketing, 1 lakh spending means what? Creating ads. You have seen YouTube ads, you have seen website ads. So, I mean, all those things we are going to talk about. If you spend 1 lakh rupees, you will see some people are coming to your website. And after coming to your website, they are purchasing your product. So you will have a data how many people have purchased your product and what it costs. If you are spending 1 lakh rupees in the starting days, which is not possible, but after a few days, you will see 100%, 200%, 300%, and sometimes 1000% return what you spend. So it is a good risk, I mean, return on investment. Now, this is most important. I'm giving one example to you. You know, when you just, I mean, you spend suppose 30 seconds on Instagram, you ignore 10 ads. Now, what does this mean? Do you click on every ad wherever you see? YouTube. You are in hurry to skip the ad. Why? Because you feel that audience is not for you. I mean, sorry, that product is not for you. So they are, I mean, targeting wrongly person. Okay, this can be possible. So in a day, you ignore 10 plus ads, 20 plus ads because you feel I'm not the right person for this product. Now take a scenario of entire traditional marketing. Okay, I was reading a newspaper. Okay, I was reading a newspaper. I have seen an ad. Like me, so many people have seen an ad. Just common example I want to give you is suppose a 60-year-old guy. Okay, I mean, uh, old parents, grandfather work. Okay, they have seen an ad of what? Gaming laptop. They have seen an ad of gaming laptop where? In newspaper. Okay, thousands of old people have seen an ad of gaming laptop in newspaper. Does it make a sense? Are they right target audience? No. But if I can create an ad and I can say, showcase my ad only to those who are interested in gaming laptop, that people can see the ad. So just look at the usefulness of digital marketing. Cost effective, which is something we already discussed. You have to spend less, you'll get more. Faster. Again, these are something which is something is like what I can say, faster reach. Okay, for example, we have to make money. Okay, we have to reach out to the audience in very fast way. Otherwise, the case of Tata, it takes years to reach out. Better customer relationship. Better customer relationship means what? I mean, let's take an example. If you purchase something from Flipkart, okay, you will go and again shop if you love the product. If you purchase anything from Amazon, you will go and again you buy a product. If you purchase something from like mobile phone, okay, you again go and buy the product. Now, what are all these things? This build a relation. Okay, because if, I mean, better example I can give for Apple. Okay, if someone purchased Apple 8th generation, every alternate years, 1 or 2 years, whenever the new Apple launch phone is launched, they are going on switching. And how they switch? They go on internet, they look at the videos, they see like, okay, what are the different features? Why? Because digital media is trending. They see and compare Apple 10th generation is best or Apple 11th generation. And if they love 10th or 11th, they will figure out. But where they compare? Digitally. They watch out videos. You go and search, na? Like, okay, if I have to something, search about a product, I will go and search how Apple's, phone is, something on Google. You will get something. So these are what? Better relationship. And how it is possible? It is only possible if we are building it digitally. So these are some usefulness of the word digital marketing, because we have to know about, like, if digital marketing is important, then what extent it is useful for any business.